Again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can create yourself a WireGuard VPN configuration file so that you can be able to access a secure internet and even speed up or enhance your gaming experience. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this, liking the tutorial, and that is it. So in the first step, we are going to look for Google Chrome or in any form of browser, but basically Google Chrome. And then once you open Google Chrome, you're going to go the search bar, and then you're going to search for VPN book like this. Search VPN book, and then it'll be providing you with this website, VPN book website, www.vpnbook.com. So consider subscribing, sharing the tutorial to your friend, and liking the tutorial for more tutorials like this about WireGuard VPN server. So we're going to create ourselves a WireGuard VPN configuration in the first step possible. Check vpnbook.com, and then let us go to the second step. So you're going to come top right corner on those three menu dashes, and then we check onto them, and then we're going to choose this option, which is free VPN, and then we're going to give it some few seconds, and then we should be able to choose a VPN protocol. And then we're going to come WireGuard VPN, and then we're going to come get started. Then after, we are going to scroll down, and then we're going to be able to see all those servers. Now this is a recommendation to those who are to choose the servers. I kindly recommend you to choose a server that is near to your country's location, or I can recommend you to choose a server from your country's location. Now in this case, I'm going to choose a UK server right here, and then once I choose a server, I'm going to scroll down and then select the port, in this case the UDP port. Now for best speeds, we're going to be using this, and for this we can also use the NTP, HTTP. You can use the HTTPS for more security. I recommend you to use HTTPS if you want a more guaranteed security. But for high speeds and best performances, most so gamers, I recommend you to use 25018, and then come I understand and accept the conditions. Make sure that you complete the captcha, and then come generate configuration. Don't forget to subscribe, like the tutorial, and then share. This one will be expiring in 168 hours, and it will be looking like this. You can use all the methods of accessing the configuration, either by scanning the QR code, downloading the config, or copying the config to your clipboard. And that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Tech, and I sign out.